Hey guys, Crypto June here with another video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about a decent gem. One that is definitely on my radar. I'm not talking about a meme coin or a small project. No, these guys have big backers, investors, and they have onboarded one of the best launchpads for their project. So if you are curious, you need to check out this video. But before I tell you more about the project, if you are here, we started only 7 months ago and we posted 163 videos and gained 2,000 subscribers. I'm so happy with that, but if you are here, like and subscribe to join my journey. So let's get back to the project because I want to talk about Beoble. And Beoble is a chat solution for Web3 people. And I think because I told you they have big backers on board. So I want to talk about the backers first and also about the investors. So here, let's check it out. The investors of Beoble. We have Digital Currency Group. Samsung is also on board. Hashkey Capital, GBV, and also many more. Because when I check out the Twitter of Beoble, we can see raised 7 million in funding. And they also have Morningstar Ventures. It's a very big one. Cyber Capital. And also all of these names are quite common in the space, like tier ones. Crypto Banter is also on board. And the product is live. Guys, I'm so happy. Not happy, I'm so hyped about this project. And also they have onboarded Chatgpt as a launchpad on the 27th of February. And also what we can see is Ape Terminal is launching also their IDO. Registrations were open yesterday and they have a total ticket size of 200,000 and each ticket size of $250. But what else I was surprised about was the amount of users of Beoble. Like they have over 1.1 million unique users visited Beoble. And as we can see, it started on the 2nd of December, like last year, guys, only in 3 months until now. And yeah, this is great because the product is ready. They have users visiting the website and also using it already. And the token is upcoming. So I want to give you a quick demo of the product. Like what we can see is I logged in with my MetaMask and now I am in different kind of chat rooms. I need to choose which language that I spoke. So I chose English and I'm from Amsterdam. So I'm also in a group with other people from Amsterdam or the Netherlands. It depends on how you see it. But you can give points to specific users. Send 1 point, which you can also emojis. You can chat with everybody. It's quite active right now. I love it. So there is endless possibilities for this, like different kind of public rooms. That's something I miss in Telegram. Like Telegram is more, you have groups chats, but you cannot find in an easy way maybe chat rooms with a category, but they want to offer this too. So it's easier to meet new people that you maybe new on a specific platform. Like if you are 3 or 4 years on Telegram, you have many chats, but Beoble offers you also to find, your niche or something. So there are many possibilities with this platform. And I think the team can improve this project like until everybody in the Web3 space will use it, because there are so many ideas and futures you can implement that I'm so hyped about it. I love it. I love those kind of things and innovations because nobody did it before for Web3 people and now we see it. Like what else can we find on the website? So the chat solution for Web3 people. And as we can see, great tubes. It's like similar to Telegram, but now for more your MetaMask login. But there are more futures like giving points, daily tasks. So you can send, as an example, team messages and earn points. And I am not 100% sure, but I saw something about an airdrop. Like, as you can see here, you are eligible for level 1 token airdrop. So I think that also for you, you can join this airdrop by being active on the platform. And that is a great thing. Just doing daily missions and earn some money, that's always the best thing, right? And also airdrops are popping off right now. I see so many layer 1s and layer 2s having and organizing airdrops that people can earn $1,000 or $5,000 by just doing some tasks. So let's see how much Beoble can give me by joining the airdrop. I will be active myself also on the platform. Also a nice thing is the team is DOXXED. And I like about that the team is young Because if we have a guy from 40 years old, using some kind of technology is different compared to someone that is young, because we grew up with the technology, like chat apps and stuff like that. So we know what we want. And if there's a problem, you can find a solution and implement it into your platform. And also nice that the guys are doxed. Like, not many project founders are doxed. What else can we find on the website? I also see the docs. In case you want it, I will put it inside the description, but it's more than an explanation. How does it work? Highlights, chats, earn. You can follow people, discover places, and also chats inside the application. Let's get back to the Twitter, because I saw some other interesting things. So on Ape Terminal and also Fanar Chain is thrilled to announce a partnership with Beoble. Beside that, I saw, let me check it out for you. And also Flipster XYC is having a partnership with Beoble. And as I can read here is, Flipster is a trading platform that is connecting investors to insights. So with chatting features of Beoble, Flipster users would enjoy chatting while trading. So it's so innovative that people can just trade. And most of the time when you're in this crypto space, it's a thing that you are very alone, because you are alone in your room and trading, investing, and just talking on Telegram. But it's cool that you can do it in the same platform. And also we can see 20k daily active wallets, 750k monthly active users, and 21 million chats delivered. So these numbers are insane. Also in partnership with SA, where we can see 300,000 followers. Also a project that is on my radar. I like the project. It's not live yet, but it's upcoming. And also they have one of the biggest guys of this space on board. I'm looking forward to this project too. And it's nice to see that Beoble is partnered up with them. Also Scale Up partnership. These guys are really building. BFi Labs, also a very high project. Like Beoble. What else can I say, guys? I look forward to the launch. And again, if you're still here, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date about hot projects, market updates, and just join the journey of Crypto June. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.